Check this out. Check this shit out. Gotta remember what them cars, man. Let's get up there, man. See, I'm disappointed. They don't got that strap like in the back. No way to put the tripod in. Okay, let me give you my top famous phrase. I got no clues where I am, man. But it's pretty out here. I'm not lying, and this was not studied. I'm trapped. That's a dirt road. Seems like I found my ways. Gotta get down there, going to the right. I really got no clue where I am. Sure it's pretty out here. Yay! We got the cows. See, now I know perfectly where I am now. There you go, that beautiful lake. I literally used to know Swan out here, but disappeared some years ago. This is one of the most beautiful places out here, I can tell y'all. I'm not gonna tell you exactly where it is, but check this out. It's like super beautiful out here. Especially this port out here, and then this port. Just nature, folks. Back at the office, man. Another boat, another day.